Good morning, the students of class 10. Welcome to my virtual class. I hope all of you and all of your near and dear ones, your friends, parents are very healthy and cheeriest mood. Now, in my previous class, I told you that I will discuss with the writing activities. That means editorial letters. How to write editorial letters. In my previous class, I told you. And today's lesson, therefore, will be about editorial letters. That means a letter addressed to the editor of a newspaper concerning or expressing your concern about some problems you feel. The problem may be about general or about your locality. Editorial letter. Just open the page number 10. Open the page number 10 of your exercise book. You will see that there is a writing activities portion. And there is a sample editorial letter. I will discuss part by part, and in my next classes, I will discuss how to write a new letter. At first, we will discuss the sample editorial letter part by part so that you can at least understand how to write it or how to write an editorial letter. At first, it's a formal letter. That means you have to maintain some formalities. It is not personal letter, it is an official letter. It's not a personal letter, it's a formal letter. That means you have to maintain some formalities. Editorial letter means writing your problem or your concern to some editors, to the editors of a newspaper. And therefore, at the beginning, you have to write the name, designation, and address of the addressee. That means whom you are writing. The name, if there is particular name, designation, and address to whom you are writing. And if you see the book, that editorial letter, at first we will write the if there is name or the designation and address. The editor, we do not know the name of the editors, and it is not at all necessary to know the names. Anyway, we will just write the editor, the statesman. You may write the statesman or the Times of India. Any English newspaper circulated daily. At first we will write the editor, the statesman, or the Times of India. And then the address. Kolkata. Elgin Road, Kolkata 001 or 002. It is your first attempt. It is your first duty to write the name, designation and address of the addressee to whom you are writing. The editor, EDITOR, EDITOR. Then the statesman or the Times of India or the Daily Gazette, etc. and etc. Elgin Road, Kolkata 001, 2, 3. Any number, any pin number you may give. Then the subject. That means in a brief, incomplete sentence, you have to write the subject matter. Subject means subject matter. What is your subject matter? Now here is given irregular clearance of garbage. Irregular clearance of garbage in our locality. That means if you live in municipal areas or in a big panchayat areas, there are some garbage area or there are some areas predestined for keeping garbages, and those garbages, deposited garbages are cleared away by the municipal authority or the panchayat authority or the corporation authority. But unfortunately, that garbage or that deposited huge stack of garbage is not regularly cleared, and therefore you have to write up this letter. Before going to the letter, you have to think some points or you have to remember some points very clearly before writing. Then clarify your subject matter. Subject, SUBJECT, subject. After writing this, what is your subject matter? Irregular clearance of garbage in our locality. Then we have to write. But before going to write the body of the letter, you have to think of the points clear. What is your issue? What is your issue? Just clarify it. Or what is the problem you are thinking about? Just clarify the point of problems, the issue, causes of the issue, and the result of the issue, or the sufferings caused by the issue. Number one, clarify and establish the issue very clear. Clarify and establish the issue very clearly. Number two, cause of the issue. Possible cause or causes of the issue. Then the problems and the hazards caused by the issue. That means because of that issue, the neighbors or the citizens or the inhabitants of a particular area feel very hazards or some dangers. Try to make points of all these three issues and then try to write finally. At first, clarify 3 points. Number one, specify the issue. Specify the issue or the problem you are going to write. Possible cause or causes of the issue. And the dangers or hazards you are facing because of the issue. then a conclusion with a prayer to the higher authority. Making a prayer to the higher authority. That means through the newspaper, you are trying to draw the attention of the higher authority to the problems of you have told. Not only drawing the attention, but also making a prayer to solve the issue as early as possible, as quickly as possible, as earnestly as possible. Is it clear? Is it clear now? Well, before going to write 4 points, number one, specify the issue. That means specifically write what is the problem you are speaking about or you are writing about. What are the possible cause or causes of the issue according to you? Number three, the hazards, the dangers you are facing and your neighbors are facing or the inhabitants are facing because of that problem. And number four, making a prayer to the higher authority to solve the problem or making steps giving him the possible solutions. And you can also express your opinion about solving the problem. You may. Anyway, these 4 points, you will think it, remember it, and try to make notes of those 4 points before writing the final portion. Before writing it finally. If you make a habit of writing a letter in this way, it would be better. And after several times, it would be very easier one. Prior to finalize your writing, try to make points of all these things. Now come to the text. After the subject matter is given. Irregular clearance of garbage. Now coming to the letter portion. Before writing, we have a kind of greeting or salutation. দেখবে আমরা অফিসে ঢুকলে স্যার একটা কথা ছিল বলি, আমরা বলি, আমরা ঢুকি হেড স্যারের কাছে ঢুকি দিয়ে বলি স্যার. This is the salutation and greeting. You are writing to the editor and he is a respectable person. He possesses or she possesses a respectable position and therefore you have to address as sir. Because you are taking the advantage of his newspaper for solving your problem or the problem of the society. Sir, through your esteemed daily, I would like to express my concern about irregular clearance of garbage in my locality. That means through your esteemed daily, that means your daily newspaper is very famous one, esteemed one, and therefore through your esteemed daily, I would like to express my concern about irregular clearance of garbage in my locality that has made the lives of the people living here unbearable. Directly entering into the specific problem. Here, the problem concerned has been directly analyzed without any kind of indirectness. There is directness to the problem. Now, my concern is about the irregular clearance of garbage in my locality that has made the lives of the people living here unbearable. Just see, this is a simple sample writing. This is a sample writing. You cannot follow it rigorously. You must not follow it rigorously, or you need not follow it rigorously. You may write this portion in any way you will feel comfortable. Any kind of way. Through your esteem daily, I would like to express my grave concern. You may add about the irregular clearance of garbage in my locality or in our locality, bracketed locality. The name of the locality may be given. Sripurli, Bardhaman, Khosbagan, Bardhaman, etc. and etc. The name of the locality may be given under the municipality or under the Bardhaman municipality. In my locality, that means you may add the name of the locality. Likewise, Khosbagan, Bardhaman. Likewise, BC Road, Bardhaman. Likewise, Raniganj, Bajar, Bardhaman, under the Bardhaman municipality. That has made the lives of the people living here unbearable. That means we cannot bear it no longer. What are the causes of this irregular clearance? We may add up that the municipality van or the municipality servicemen, garbage servicemen have become so infrequent. They do not come so regularly, and therefore there is a huge deposit of garbage. What are the causes of the irregular clearance? It may be that the municipality van is not coming regularly, or the municipality servicemen are not coming regularly, and therefore there is a huge stack of garbages in that particular area. And with that, there may be the indifference of the citizens who are throwing the garbages there. There may be the indifference of the people or the inhabitants there who are throwing the garbage into that area. As a result of all of this, the area and the surrounding area is becoming unbearable to live for the inhabitants there. কি হতে পারে? The environment of the locality has become unhygienic. Foul stench are emitting from there. The garbages are coming out from the garbage bins and coming into the pavements. As a result, the pavements are becoming unpassable. It is becoming very hard to make a walk upon the pavement. Not only that particular area, garbage bin or surrounding place, but also the pavements are also becoming very unbearable for us. And not only that, the surrounding houses have been affected because of this foul stench and because of this unhygienic air. So I pray to you to remove us or to save us from this problem. Please try to, or please try your best as early as possible, as quick as possible, to save us from this hellish atmosphere because of the garbage. You may write like this, or I shall be highly pleased if the authority concerned can take immediate steps, can take necessary steps as early as possible to make the air clean and make the area comfortable for living. Now come to the last portion of the letter given. I would therefore, on behalf of the residents of the locality, request the authorities to arrange for regular disposal of garbage. That means regular clearance of the garbage. Thanking you, yours sincerely, the name of the writer or signature. Thanking you, yours sincerely, yours faithfully, the name of the writer. উল্টো দিকে address. That means the writer's address. That is yours address. In our next class, we will discuss it again in detail, phase by phase, very slowly, so that you can grasp how to write or how to make an attempt with the editorial letter. Today I have just passed the sample letter and discussed its feature. Next day, I will discuss with you part by part with other example and other sample writing. Thank you.